Hello crafters, welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. This is Shivani here. Today I am showing you how to create this very attractive and very beautiful quilled poppy flowers wall hanging with lots of techniques for the background making. And also I will show you this cute quilled butterfly. So let's get started. For this we need some 3 mm quilling strips, red color 2 mm strip, liquid glue, stencil brush, quilling tool, some paints, punched border, any sentiment, some stencils, husking board, black color sheet and scissor. First I will show you how to create the poppy flower. So I have already prepared 4 petals. I will show you how to create one. So with this husking board you will get some needles. I am inserting one needle in the center and on top of this I am adding one more needle. The size of the petal is up to you. Now I am taking red color 2 mm strip, just folding from the bottom, adding little glue and making a loop and securing it. Now on left and right sides I will add 4 needles. And then I will start making loops one by one on each needle, and each time when I will come down I am securing it with the glue. So complete this. Now I am securing it with remaining strip. After that, take out this petal slowly from all the needles and the petal is ready. Now I will join all 5 petals. In the same way I have created 5 smaller petals using this inner circle portion. So I am joining these 5 petals as well. Like this. Now for the center part of the flower I am taking 1½ strip of black color and making one dome shape. Now I am taking this black color 5 mm strip and on top of this I have added 2 mm strip. This is white 2 mm. Now from the white side I am making small fringes. Like this. Now on top of the dome I will add some green color strips and I'm making a star shape here. Now I'm wrapping this dome using fringe strip. Open the fringes and the center part is ready. Now I'm attaching the smaller flower with the large flower. And in the center I am adding this. In the same way I have created one more flower. Now I am starting with this white color flower. For this I am taking half strip of white color and making leaf shape. Now I am joining 5 petals. And for the center of the flower I am taking 1/4 strip of orange color and making one tight coil. So this is done. Now for the next flower I am taking one strip of dark peach color and making one teardrop shape. Now I am joining 4 teardrops with each other. Now I am starting with the leaf. For this I am taking 1/3 strip of sap green color and making one teardrop. In the same way we need total 5 teardrops for one leaf. Now I am taking one small strip of sap green, folding from the center, adding glue, and on both the sides I will add these petals. In the same way we need total 8 leaves. And also I have created some scrolls using light and dark sap green color combination. Now I will show you how to create this wheat ear. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of peach color and making one leaf shape. In the same way we need total 15 leaves. Now I am taking one more 1/4 strip, folding from the center and securing it. Now I will first construct the whole leaf. Then on top of this I am adding 4 more leaves. After that, on left and right sides I am adding some small pieces of same color strip. So this is done. Now I will start with the butterfly. For the upper wing, I am taking one strip of orange and half strip of black color and making one teardrop shape. In the same way I have created one more teardrop, and for the bigger teardrop I have used two orange and half strip of black. Now I am joining all three petals and making one large upper wing. In the same way I have created one more upper wing, and for the lower wings I have created the center petal using one strip of orange and smaller petals using half strip of orange. And I have also created the center body using half of cone of black colors. Now I am joining all the parts. And the butterfly is ready. Now I am taking this 24 by 24 centimeter black color base. This sheet is having 300 GSM thickness. Now I am taking this stencil from iCraft and some paints, and using my stencil brush I am making some patterns. Remember, your brush should be completely dried. If you don't have stencil brush, you can use any flat brush, but it should be dried. Now I am making a leaf stencil, and using golden acrylic color I am making some patterns here and there. Like this. Now I am sprinkling some white paint using my brush and making some small splashes for more texture. Now I am adding this designer punched border. then I am adding this sentiment on which I have written, "May your family enjoy a special season filled with love, joy and peace." On back side of this I have added double-sided foam tape. You can also convert this frame in wall clock. So in the place of the sentiment you can just add your clock dial, or even you can also add any photograph to make a photo frame. Now I am just roughly arranging my flowers, and after satisfaction I am adhering it using liquid glue. So I'm adding all my quilling designs. Also I'm using some die cut leaves, but this is optional. You can only use the quilling leaves. Like this. Now I'm adding this butterfly in one corner. For the antenna I have created two small black color scrolls. So the beautiful quilled poppy flower wall hanging is ready. I'm sure you will try this very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.